Today we will begin this chapter, A Question of Trust. It's by Victor Canning. Victor Canning was primarily a writer of thrillers. What do we mean by when we say the word thriller? Thriller novels or thriller stories or thriller drama means a novel, play or film with an exciting plot typically involving crime. So when we see this word thriller, by this we understand that it involves something criminal, something detective, some mysteries and those sort of things. So that means that we are reading a thriller novel. So this story, A Question of Trust, it deals with some thrills. It deals with some crime or mystery or whatever it deals with, we will see as the story unfolds. Famous books of Victor Canning are The Rainbird Pattern, Python Project, The Whip Hand. So these are the famous books that this author wrote. As I've told you about thriller novels, so here The Murder of Roger Ackroyd is by Agatha Christie. So this is also a thriller novel. It's one of the bestseller. You can have the PDF or you can have the book also. It's a wonderful thriller novel. You will get so much mystery over here. You will see how mystery unfolds, what are the things there, and you will love it. So as per as our chapter, A Question of Trust is concerned, by this time we know that it's a thriller thing, it's a thriller story. So we will see, we are not going to see any free plot, we are not going to see any immigrants, any Polish American society or anything which involves fun. So what we are going to see, we will see some thrills, some mystery or some criminals over here who are not so-called criminals. Okay, by the term criminal we understand that those who commits crime. So here we can see some person like that, but not to that extent that we will consider them as any villain. Okay, so the main characters of this story are Horace Danby, and we will also see a lady. Who the lady is and what's the role of this lady, that we will see as the story goes. The story is about a thief. Horace Danby, a thief. I told you it's a criminal thing, so a criminal will be there. So this story is about a thief who gets the taste of his own deeds. Taste of his own deeds means the taste of what he is doing. What he is doing? He is a thief, so he steals things. So he will get a taste of this thing only, that what happens when a thief encounters another person of such a mentality. We will see who this another person is and how does he get the taste of his own deeds, what happens to the story. We will see. By this, just remember that Horace Danby is the main character and he is a thief. Horace Danby is a thief completely. He steals only once in a year. He is a complete thief, but what he do? He steals only once in a year. Okay, you must set a thief to catch a thief. You can use this type of quote while writing answers. So we will see how Horace Danby is a thief, and to catch that thief, what happens, how does thief get caught. Okay, we will see this. So you must set a thief to catch a thief. You can say that this is one of the quote that describes the whole story in just one line. So we will see how this happens, and whatever happens, how this Horace Danby is considered a thief with a difference. Why I am telling you that he is a criminal but not in the actual sense, and who this lady is and whatever happens, we will see to it. So by this time, just remember, it's a thriller novel. Horace Danby is the main character. He is a thief, and the quote line is, you must set a thief to catch a thief. Okay.